Hey guys, it's James from the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, September 27th. Going to do my nightly review on gold. So gold after this big run up, some pullback consolidation, another big run up. This is Brexit here, and some continuation. We've been pulling back after that high we set, and we've continued to set lower highs here. So you can see that we're setting lower highs here. 1377.50, 1373.40. 1357.60 and recent high gold set after the Federal Reserve decided not to hike rates in December of 1347.80. So currently we lost the 50 MA here after holding it twice. So we back tested it, held, and we broke below it today. We did hold the 20 MA at 1330.20. Which lines up with the middle Bollinger Band, and we're right at it right here, so we'll see how the candle closes. Break below the middle Bollinger Band, could see us come down and set another higher low here at potentially at this price support of 1321.80. What we don't want for gold bears is to drop below the low of this candle, which is 1309.20, because then now the pattern will be setting lower highs and new lower lows. So we need to defend that if the middle BB does not hold as support, and the 20 MA, which again is at 1330.20. Then the next step would be to get above this recent high of 1347.80, and then of course taking out the 1357.60. That would be bullish. Anything that with gold that drops below the middle BB and then drops below this new higher low that was established would be a bearish indicator, and we will definitely test the low here of 1305.50 and then potentially more downside. So bulls definitely want to defend those levels. Now, as far as the miners go, that's I know what you guys care about. And again, we mentioned that there was weakness in miners on Thursday, the day after the Federal Reserve decided not to hike rates, when early on in the day, Thursday, SPY and gold hit new higher highs and miners were not able to set higher highs, showing weakness, and then obviously, boom, all this downside. And we had a gap down this morning. And the reason for that gap down is the key level to watch for miners is the 20 MA middle BB, currently at 1758. You could see that every time it hits it and gets rejected, we have another leg to the downside. Every time it builds a base and bulls think this is the turnaround, boom. Again, it rejected in pre-market, and you saw that leg down today. And I know a lot of people are frustrated because they're wondering why are miners suffering so much with gold holding up so well. And just know that they're disconnected and forget the fundamentals, and you're going to have to play the technical levels, and that right now is clearly this 20 MA middle BB. So until that becomes support, I would not get into a long position in miners. If you are short miners currently in JDST or DUST, you're going to want to stay in that play as long as this 20 MA and middle BB is resistant. So we're going to get a test of it early, either in pre-market or when the day opens, and watch for rejection or watch if we establish support. Ideal scenario for bulls is to regain it as support, have a back test of it, hold as support, and to bounce higher. Ideal scenario for bears would be for this to reject. And let me look at the bear miner chart. So bear miners last couple days, you can see after it gained the 20 MA, back tested it, bounce, good support, back tested, bounce, good support, and that's what you want to see in bull miner chart if we regain the 20 MA. So that is the key level to watch for. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Be on watch for the 20 MA middle BB on the hourly. That is the key MA right now. I can't emphasize that enough to play miners long, as it doesn't seem to be following gold as well as it was previously. And yes, it did follow gold today, as when gold dumped, the miners did have show weakness too. But it's either been gold weakness or market weakness that has been affecting miners, and miners has really good runs when gold and markets are both bullish. That seems to be their huge gainer days, those 10-20% days. So be on watch for that middle BB 20 MA on the hourly on miners. Have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.